Hey you guys, it's Jen here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys an explosion box that I've been working on for 3 weeks. It's basically literally a box that explodes. So there's different layers that you can put in. It's a personal touch for any buddy that you want to gift, whether it be a birthday, an anniversary, just someone or something to remind them of that, you value their relationship. In this case for me, I value my boyfriend that I've been with for a year. He's been my rock through everything, and so I really wanted something personal. Like I said, it took 3 weeks. It's a long time, and you have to have a lot of patience, but with your sense of creativity and your persistence and your that it's made out of love, I mean, you can make it out to be whatever you want with it. So I'm gonna link down some videos that helped me. Most of the stuff actually, like, I had to learn on my own. There wasn't really a tutorial for it, and I wish that I could show you guys how to do certain things, but I'm a horrible person who explains stuff, so yeah, you wouldn't want that. So yeah, so here you go.
I just need someone in my life to give it structure, to handle all the selfish ways I'd spend my time.